Thinking of starting yoga? Stop. Before you roll out that mat, there are a few things you absolutely need to know. Because starting yoga the wrong way can lead to pain, frustration, or even injury. Yoga is powerful, it improves flexibility, strength, and mental clarity. But only if you start it the right way. In this video, I'll share the most important things every beginner must know before starting yoga. Number 1. Yoga is not just stretching. Yoga is not just about touching your toes. It's a combination of movement, breathing, and awareness. If you focus only on stretching, you're missing the real benefits. Always combine breath with movement. This is what makes yoga effective. Number 2. Don't compare yourself. You'll see people doing advanced poses online, but don't compare yourself. Yoga is a personal journey. Flexibility takes time. Focus on progress, not perfection. Number 3. Start slow. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is doing too much too soon. Start with 10 to 15 minutes a day. Learn basic poses first. Consistency is far more important than intensity. Number 4. Pain is not normal. Yoga should never cause sharp pain. A gentle stretch is okay, but pain means you're doing it wrong. Always listen to your body. Yoga is about healing, not hurting. Number 5. Breathing is everything. If you ignore your breathing, it's not really yoga. Inhale as you expand, exhale as you relax. Proper breathing improves focus, reduces stress, and makes poses easier. Number 6. You don't need flexibility to start. Many people think, I'm not flexible, so I can't do yoga. That's exactly why you should start. Yoga builds flexibility, it doesn't require it. Number 7. Choose the right time and space. Practice in a calm, quiet place. Morning is ideal, but any consistent time works. Avoid practicing immediately after meals. Number 8. Consistency beats perfection. Doing yoga 10 minutes daily is better than 1 hour once a week. Build a habit. Small steps every day lead to big results. Start simple, stay consistent, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple yoga tips.